up, y'all? Today, Mechanics Garage, we are working on a 2010 GMC Sierra pickup truck, and we're going to be swapping out these really crappy looking tow mirrors. These things are cruddy. We've seen a lot of wear and tear. Got some damage here, so we're going to swap these out. All right, we got a new fresh set of mirrors here we're going to be putting on. These look like they're pretty nice. They came inside of a nice little cover. Let's see how these bad boys look when we pull them out this here bag. Here is the new mirror. Looks good. I hope that's not broken. Let's see how the other one looks. Nah, factory one's got this split, or shall I say the original one. So yeah, good looking mirror. Should be a pretty simple swap. And hopefully we can find the plug down the door, because I think the old one, and I think I looked at it before, it doesn't have a plug into the actual mirror, but there is a controller inside the car to control the mirror. So we're gonna see if we can find it. All right, first step, we got to remove this little trim panel here, and hopefully we can get both of these done, because it's starting to look kind of gray out here, like it wants to rain. But we're gonna go ahead and go for it. Go ahead and pop this off and see what it looks like back here. All right, pulled the cover off, and there was also some insulation foam in here. So we could see the 3 screws, and we were dreading that we were gonna have to do this, but we may have to go ahead and pull this door panel down just to easily get down in here. And that looks like where the wire would come through. And like I said, that one doesn't have a wire, but it should be a wire down in here somewhere, because we do have a mirror control on the doors. We were dreading to have to do this. So pull this door panel off. There's I think it's a screw back there. We got to pop this little piece off. And I think there's a little panel back here too. It's got 2 screws in it. It should be all 10 millimeters. And we might even have to pop this off to pull this door thing off of here. So let's get to it. All right, we got the panel down. So now we got more easier access to these 3 bolts. But I'm mad because I'm looking down in here and I don't see anywhere where this wire will hook up to for these doggone mirrors to work. I'm gonna have to look on here and see if there's a plug on the back of here. Gotta be a way for this thing to work. It's like, why would the car have power mirrors on the door but not have anything that wires up to the thing here? Huh. Let's see if we can figure this out. But let's go ahead and take these off. These are probably 10s, like everything else. All right, we've got the new mirror set in place. And now we're just replacing the 10 millimeter nuts on the back of here to have the washers. And one thing we did after we removed the old mirror was a lot of dirt and crud on the underside, so we went ahead and cleaned that off with some glass cleaner. All right, is this thing cross-threading? What's going on here? Hope it ain't cross-threading. Sorry, I had my finger in the way. So now we're going to try to see if there's a spot where this can connect into. I'm going to look on the underside of where this this switch is and see if there's a way we can connect this plug. If not, I'm going to be kind of salty because they're supposed to be powered mirrors. If I can't power them, that freaking sucks. All right, we got it all buttoned back up. And unfortunately, there was no way to simply wire this to the switch down here. I could have jimmy rigged it and cut the wires and went through all that stuff, but that was about to be too much. So now we're gonna go ahead and manually adjust the mirror, which kind of sucks. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the passenger side. Yeah, that's it. Wasn't too difficult, didn't take too long. Got everything back working. Check out the switch. Everything's back in. We'll just test the door handle, make sure we can get in and out. But other than that, that's it. We will catch you on the next one. Peace.